What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BT8 This is going to be our 4-lug hub kit with the Timken bearings for a 1-inch spindle. This is going to fit most Dexter, Alco, Lippert, Hayes axles. This will not fit a marine axle. See right here, this is the box you get it in. It's got a nice logo on there. And we have our small parts wrapped up nice and neat. And we're going to have our hubby wrapped up. We can see this is going to be our 4-lug hub with the 1/2-inch studs. Our races are already going to be pressed in on these. These are going to be roughly 6 inches side to side. It's going to be roughly 2 inches from the base to the top, and then roughly 2 1/4 from outside to outside. And we can see here, we'll pull our small parts out. And we're going to get 2 of the 44643 Timken bearings. See right here, they're Timken box, Timken stand, made the US bearings. See here, they're all wrapped up nice and neat. Then we're going to have our seal, and this is going to be 1 1/4 on the inside and 1.9 on the outside. And then we're going to have our grease cap here, just going to pop right on top. And then we're going to have our 5 1/2-inch lug nuts. The cone style. That's pretty much it, guys. That's the BT8 Spindle.